Hello YouTube, today we're doing another battle. Here's the sample we're gonna be doing. This is such a sick sample, I just want to use it for a battle. But yeah, show it RJ. And yeah, let's get it. Let's see, what kind of vibe should I go for? I try to make like an album song. That's the vibe here. Organic drums, one shots, kicks. I'm thinking full time. Oh yeah, you love that. Maybe just full time. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Is this illegal, what I'm doing? The Bishu Essentials Drum Kit, Volume 1, baby. Out now. Drum kit features sounds that are fitting for a dubstep, trap, house. You can use these sounds in any genre though. I carefully crafted these. They're good for both beginners and also really good for just experienced producers that want good samples. Link in description to cop Bishu Drum Essentials Volume 1. Go get it, or don't. It's up to you. Love you. Might as well. All right, what's the lyrical content? Do I go for serious? Probably. Okay, but what if it was UKG? Oh God, you're probably right. Let's see what happens if we do this. God damn it. Hate how good that sounds. Let's go top. Let's go with these guys. Filter it. Fuck's sake, every time, dude. Organ 2. All right, do a vocal thing. Give me concepts, Co. What's the concept here? Make it real, though. Moving to a new town. Oh, yeah. I'll go. I moved to a new town where my friends at. I moved to a new town where my friends at. I moved to a new town where my friends at. Trying to start a new beginning. I don't know. Trying to start a new beginning. I don't know. I really don't know. Would you stay with me by my side if I left? Would you stay with me by my side if I left? I felt your heart beating since the moment we met. Yeah. I felt your heart beating since the moment we met. I'm back. And then we got a belt right here. All right, crazy hook. Crazy fucking hook time. Since we met, and you said that, and you know what I meant when I felt that. Some shit. Since we met, all right, chat, lyrical content. Write the song for me. This is the equivalent of streamers asking for loot in a game. Lower register for the next part. Yeah, no, do like a really high harmony with it. Tell me where we went wrong. Tell me where we went wrong. Okay, let's just try this theory. Tell me where we went wrong. Tell me where we went wrong. Maybe maybe it can be cool if I get better takes on. Guess it wasn't meant to last long. Okay. Guess it wasn't meant to last long. It's kind of cool. It's all about being yourself, Chad. Just remember that. Never working all along. Fuck your smart Rosen. It was never working all along. It was never working all along. Now it's time that we have to move on. Now it's time that we have to move on. Insane. Come on, I hit all those notes without autotune. Come on. Do I just do slap-os? Say fuck the police and just do it? Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. UKG slap-os, imagine. Is that a layer? Oh shit, the full time's kind of crazy though. Try the halftime first though. Ear candy for sure, but like maybe some like folly. Ooh. More ear candy, folly. Little M1 action. Delay it. Virtual mix rack on the bass. I don't know what's gonna happen. Find some random shit. Let's see. Bass guitar 1. Oh my god, so plucky. Could add a vocal chop as well. Here's Splice Scott. It was never working all along. Now it's time that we have to move on. I swear it hears my project and it knows exactly what I want. It's crazy. It's using AI to hear my project. I know it is. Like fill here and there and ship it to Monster God. Say, hey, we made something. We stole this guitar off of IG Reels. Can you release it? Rim. What the fuck? Little crash, little ride. Like this. I swear to God. Go full time here. Or literally just message Problem Panic. We'll see what they say. Okay. Let's have fun. Here we go. Ah. Come on. What's needed? Yo, give me 1 sec. I'll show you. King, good morning. Sending. All right. Me and yours DMs is just me sending you something and then you sending something back. Here we go. Panic's cooked. Panic is cooked. There we go. I think I had it right, no? So what can I get from this? So what if I throw my cup up? So what if you're somewhat pissed? Alcohol tastes better when you... All right. Final listen through. After we do this, we go up to... Let me go... 36. Fuck it. This is what I made using RJ's guitar. That's what we were cooking. That's what we cooked. I moved to a new town, my friends trying to start a new beginning. I don't know. Would you stay with me by my side if I left? I felt your heart beating since the moment we met. Tell me where we went wrong.
wasn't meant to last long. It was never working all along. Now it's time that we have to move on. Now it's time that we have to move on. Now it's time that we have to move on.
Feeling like this, babe, feeling like this, yeah, feeling like this, what can I get from you, babe, what can I get from you, so what can I get from this, so what if I throw my cup up, so what if you're somewhat this, alcohol tastes better with you, so what if I feel better about it, so what if I like it when you're mad, so won't you call, so let me know, if I could do better than this,
Tell me where we went wrong. Guess it wasn't meant to last long. It was never working all along. Now it's time that we have to move on. Now it's time that we have to move on.
Hello, YouTube. Come through the Twitch, you won't? And let's take a listen. Crease. It's one of those samples that probably actually won't get old. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the fuck did you just do? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Let's go. Yes! There's no way you did that. That's insane. Are you serious? Pin, this is so creative. Did you actually just do, like, you did all of that? That's not a sample. That's so sick. That's impressive. Very impressive. So sick. Sounds sick. Oh, cool. Ryan, thank you. What up? W pin? W or W pin? Alright, we'll pin it. Adam, so had to use non-producing headphones. Boo, 1 hour speedrun Merc. Decimal. Oh, really cool here. Oh, wait. Pin that shit. Merc, you went off. Third Sky. It's equal to equals 3. 1 out of 3. This is sick. Let's win this. Cool key change. Done right. Kyle Martins.
Beach and that sun feels nice. Pina colada in my hand on ice. I'm back for another cause I'ma hit that twice. Going back for another cause we don't wanna think about each other. We just wanna be beachside lovers. We just wanna be beachside lovers. Wanna be beachside lovers.
Kyle.
lovers. Going back to another. 'Cause we don't wanna think about each other. We just wanna be peace and lovers. We just wanna be peace and lovers.
Go.
We don't wanna think about
What?
peace and we don't wanna think about just wanna be peace and
Fire. Pin. Moving on. Phase 0. Oh shit.
I was living like a burnout, sitting in the sun, letting that heat come down. Had to get away, so
Voice reveal?
I was on the run, ain't nowhere gonna be found.
What? What? What the fucking? Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. That was so smooth how you did that.
Like a burnout, sitting in the sun, letting that heat come down. Had to get away somehow. I was on the run, ain't nowhere gonna be found.
So sick. So fucking sick and cool. So good. Pinned. Savor. Chat, what's the caption of this picture? This music shit is so sick. Is my caption. We in this bitch. This is pretty nasty. Good shit, Saver. Pin. It's caption. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Woo! Oh man. That vocal chop's crazy. Sick as fuck. That could say.
This is the first time I'm singing on a bitch battle.
Hard.
This is the first time
I'm singing on a bitch battle.
but this sample is inspiring me, so I thought I'd dabble.
Dabble?
Now I'm swimming upstream without a paddle.
Without a paddle.
But I'ma put together all of these words like this shit is Scrabble.
Okay.
Now this is the part where this shit gets crazy.
I love it.
I don't have a lot of time and I'm kinda lazy. This is where my singing will stop.
In this shit. This is sick.
Gonna keep singing.
Fourth wall is gone. Sing more. More vocals.
I'm gonna keep singing.
Nice vocal chain for the first time singing, bro. Hard. Yeah, pinned. Good shit. Mercadin. Phase 0. Let's give it the whole 3 minutes. It's up. It's time. Here we go. Mercadin. Phase 0.
I was living like a burnout, sitting in the sun, letting that heat come down. Had to get away somehow. I was on the run, ain't nowhere gonna be found.
Whew, came down to the wire there. Phase W. W for phase. Phase 0. Shout out Mercadin as well. Very close pull. They both won. GG's. Phase 0. Absolute legend local. Coming through for the third dub, I believe. The third dub from Phase.
Come through to the Twitch. You won't.